Hey, how's it going, folks? Welcome to Crypto Growth. This is your host, Shazib, signing in. Is Velo Coin undervalued and underappreciated? This is the question we're going to try and unpack in this video, and we're going to come up with some concrete conclusions till the end. So stay tuned. And for those of you who are new to the channel, we discuss utility coins primarily, the ISO 20022 compliant and the ones that have the potential to become ISO 002 compliant, and some other interesting coins as well if you're interested in them. Stop the video, watch the coins, and do subscribe for regular videos and stay tuned. So, anyways, let us begin. With the price of Velo Coin, it is currently priced at around $0.002596. So we can see that it had a rally back in January, by the end of January or early Feb. And if you guys do not know, this rally was huge because it was associated with a huge news, which was Visa partnership. So you can see this Visa partnership boosts Velo price by 27%. This article was published on February 22. Velo, the cryptocurrency issued on the Stellar network, is trending following a spike in trading fees despite a market downturn. Velo partners with Visa, Lightnet, iRemit. The company partnered with Visa, Lightnet, iRemit, and Inception to develop payment solutions in Asia jointly. Velo Labs announced the collaboration in late 2020 and will work with the companies to address Asia's micro, small, and medium enterprise lending market. We are delighted to be a part of this unique cooperation along with trusted partners like Velo Labs and Visa. We are providing customers from the MSME market with another pathway to build credit and improve financial wellness. Tridbodi Aranononchai. Okay, I'm sorry for mispronunciating you, brother, or the vice chairman and group CEO of Lightnet Group. Pardon me, guys. He's a well-known figure of and CEO of Lightnet Group, so I should do better in pronouncing his name in the future. Anyways, so let us skim through the website of Velo before we go and check out the tokenomics and a market cap to cap it off and see if it is undervalued. So this is the website, Velo Supercharge Money Velocity, connecting businesses and individuals with a global pool of funds to supercharge the velocity of money through seamless financial services powered by our Web3 Plus ecosystem. They call themselves the Web3 Plus ecosystem, not just Web 3.0. Trustless, formless, borderless, limitless. So trustless with smart contracts, formless with fractional transactions, borderless with financial inclusivity, limitless with Web3 Plus powered infrastructure. Earn rewards on Web3 Plus, Velo Finance, not Web3 but Web3 Plus. So these are the product suites. Quantum, a one-stop lightning speed remittance network, power up traditional financial networks with a blockchain-enabled remittance superhighway. So Velo is connecting legacy networks, legacy finance with the modern finance. For those of you who do not know, legacy finance is traditional finance, the traditional way of doing businesses. Universe, a multi-chain superdex. It has its own decentralized exchange, trade global assets on a high-performing decentralized exchange at a low cost. Nova Chain, interconnecting our Web3 Plus ecosystem with an EVM compatible blockchain. So this is their own blockchain. The Nova Chain is an EVM compatible blockchain and the backbone of our Web3 Plus ecosystem that facilitates the on-off-ramp partners to connect their services with Web3 Plus applications. Nova is an enabler of Quantum's interconnectivity with various financial systems and provides frictionless transactions for all users on the network. Orbit, a crypto super app, making crypto transfers accessible to all. Orbit is a simple to use mobile application that provides a simple scan and go model for P2P payments. Using a common QR code system, your wallet connects to your assets in the Velo ecosystem and allows you to quickly transfer funds for various purposes, to utilize them for services and things of that sort. Warp, a multi-network cross-chain bridge, freely move assets across blockchain networks with our multi-chain bridge. So you can see they're having multiple products, and they're having their own ecosystem connecting legacy network, legacy payment system with the modern payment system with blockchain technology. So this is the Velo token in the midst of them all. Velo tokens are utility tokens designed to transfer value on the Velo network and ensure stable settlement. So the ticker is Velo, circulating supply 7.4 billion, launch September 2020, token type utility, total supply 24 billion, and they have burned the tokens. I'm going to show you guys in a bit. They were initially, I think, 30 billion coins, if I'm not wrong. So they have contracts with Stellar. This is huge. Being associated with Stellar in itself is huge. It's built on that, and BNB chain. It's available on Bitfinex, Bithumb, Crypto.com, Huobi, Gate.io, so KuCoin, multiple exchanges where you can buy OKX, become part of the Velo City community. Strategic partners. Now check this out, guys. One name might stand apart from the rest. The two names, I guess, they're really big names here. But the name that stands apart, Stellar Development Foundation, obviously in the crypto world, and this name, Visa. So when the question was asked, is Velo Coin undervalued and underappreciated in the crypto space and the financial space, then the answer is an absolute yes, because I'm not seeing much hype surrounding Velo Coin at the moment. Yes, there are videos here and there, threads here and there in the social media, but overall, I think it is truly underappreciated and an under the radar crypto utility gem that you guys can dig out further, do your own due diligence and research, and check this amazing coin out. Obviously, this is not financial advice, but do your own due diligence and only invest what you can afford to lose. And make sure to subscribe the channel if you are liking this video. Anyways, let us carry on. So check out their services. On off-ramp service they provide. Basically, for those of you who do not know, on-ramp is like converting crypto into converting fiat into crypto, and converting crypto into fiat and services. Those are called on and off-ramp services. Velo is designed to support CBDCs, central bank digital currencies. This is huge as well. CBDCs are gaining ground, which will allow licensed entities to use Velo as a blockchain-based clearinghouse. So this is huge. This is not just a random coin. They're triggering and tapping multi-trillion-dollar markets with this in the future. CBDCs are going to be huge in the future. Hybrid DEX, centralized exchange functionality in a decentralized environment, Velo Finance, DApp for supporting provision of crypto-centric liquidity and yield farming, Velo Hub, cross-chain bridge that will support token transfers between a number of popular blockchains, Velo Chain, their own blockchain, our own EVM compatible blockchain to support the ecosystem with near zero fees for transactions on the network. So near zero fees, this is good, this is huge. We also successfully burned 6 billion Velo this year. I mentioned this. This reduces our total supply to 24 billion. We are assessing the possibility of future burns based on the implementation of the above product roadmap. So they are planning further burns as well. So this is going to decrease the supply and put appreciate the price along the way. The Web3 Plus platform introduces a much greater utility for Velo with a decentralized finance ecosystem centered around a hybrid DEX and Velo Finance DApp. We need to assess the adoption of the Web3 Plus ecosystem to properly determine the viability of further burns, as the original token supply was based on the need to support a $6 trillion payments and remittance network. So you guys can check this out. Velo is developing at a tremendous pace. Let us check the white paper, skim through the white paper. It has been updated on June 2023, so it is recently updated. So this is good. They're keeping stuff up to date. Velo light paper, June 2023, the Web3 Plus ecosystem version 2.0. So let us just skim through this, what we're solving, what's unique, Velo's unique proposition and strengths, Velo DAO, empowering community governance and shared prosperity, Velo identity framework, KYB, KYC. KYB is know your business, KYC is know your customer, a strong leadership and ensuring good corporate governance. So let us check it out. What's new in version 2.0? In this version of our light paper, the team will expound on more insights into our token utilities derived. Okay, so you guys can check this white paper as well. What we're solving, this is the problem: difficult to move asset and operate business between TradeFi and blockchain. High liquidity in TradeFi but low mobility. Confusing DeFi ecosystem creates barrier to entry for new users. Solution: seamless connectivity between all parts of the financial ecosystem. Enable access to a highly liquid TradeFi Web 2.0 network with FCX and the hybrid DEX. Familiar financial products and services to simplify business use. Real sector connected liquidity, fast and cheap, ease of use, range of products, regulated. So Velo is regulatory compliant. Visa won't just randomly partner with a useless coin. Anonymous, no KYC, trustless, self-custodian, permissionless, borderless, compliance friendly. So you guys can see they're building a huge ecosystem and bridging TradeFi and DeFi through Nova Chain. This is huge. Velo infrastructure offers Web 2.0 and Web 3.0 interconnectivity by bridging the gap between the TradeFi and DeFi, and partners will benefit from this systematic shift through our ecosystem. Banks like Saba Bank, Asia Digital Bank, merchants like Visa, and remittance companies like iRemit to bridge DeFi to TradeFi, as well as digital exchanges. Now, if this isn't being undervalued and underappreciated, then what is? This coin is going to be huge if they, granted, they do what they claim to do: organic retail users, user acquisition, and KYC onboarding for enterprise users. It is connecting enterprises, business, financial institutions, power of decision making via DAOs. Velo token holders will be granted the right to vote in some aspects in accordance with our DAO system of governance. So there's going to be a DAO system of governance in which community is going to be involved, staking their tokens for a designated period of time for such proposals from our partners or potential projects. So the stakeholders would need to stake their tokens. Low conversion cost and lower barrier to consumer behavior change. Instead of charging infrastructure gas fees to users, we offer low gas fees via Nova tokens, which will not have monetary value and are not traded on any exchanges. Differentiated revenue generation business model. Our unique revenue generation model sets us apart. Unlike traditional models that collects fees from infrastructure usages, we prioritize building robust partnerships and businesses around our blockchain with real sector businesses. By sharing in the revenue and profits generation of these partner enterprises, we establish a mutually beneficial relationship, driving innovation and sustaining long-term prosperity for all parties. Some of our partners in the on, off-ramp, and OTC infrastructure are Autonomy and Visa. So you guys can check what Velo is doing. You guys might be impressed as well, like me. And I hope they achieve what they're claiming to achieve, because I am truly impressed with the partnerships and the optimism surrounding it, their vision as well, strong leadership, and ensuring good corporate governance. So, Guys, let us check out the what if Velo token reaches the market cap of, let us put here Shiba, because I always put Shiba because Shiba without being a meme coin reaches so much heights. It went so high. I know the community backed it up, but still, these utility coins have tremendous potential to reach astonishing heights. So you guys can see with current circulating supply, if Velo Coin reaches the bear market cap of SHIB, it would be priced at around 0.585 224x. If it reaches SHIB's all-time high, then 2,136x, $5.57. One Velo coin is going to be priced at. But let us check the total supply, which is I think 24 billion, right? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Oh, Velo. So let us see with the total supply what's the with Velo with the market cap of SHIB. I think it's all-time high. It's going to be priced at around 1.80. So yeah, this can be huge, guys. Velo can be huge in the future. So make sure to check this out, research this coin. If you guys can see the all-time chart, it is truly in the rock bottom price range at the moment. But you can see with all the partnerships going on, it had a rally as well with the Visa partnership. So currently it is basically consolidating over here in this price range, the support level over here. And if we see the monthly chart, then we might even see that this is on the verge of a breakout as well. We can basically check the 1-day chart as well. It might go up from here, who knows. Do your own due diligence and make sure to invest what you can afford to lose, and research. This is not any financial advice. And if you like this video, then make sure to subscribe the channel. And if you're interested in any of the utility coins that we discuss in this channel, the ISO20022 coins as well, we do constant regular videos. So make sure to subscribe and stay tuned. So like I always say, until next time, stay blessed.